Does your bedroom feel boring or outdated? Want to wake up every morning in a space that feels fresh, modern, and you? Then stick around, because we're about to transform your bedroom into a 2025 masterpiece. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixit Design. Today, we're diving into the best and most doable modern master bedroom decorating ideas for 2025. Whether you're planning a full makeover or just small changes, we've got tips that are stylish, budget-friendly, and super easy to apply. Let's jump right in. Color Trends 2025. In 2025, master bedroom color trends are shifting towards calm, soft, and earthy tones that create a peaceful and restful environment. Instead of bold or overly bright shades, people are choosing warm neutrals like creamy white, warm gray, taupe, dusty pink, sage green, and dusty blue. These colors help set a relaxing mood, making the bedroom feel like a quiet escape from the busy outside world. A common and easy approach to choosing bedroom colors is the 60/30/10 rule. This means 60% of the room should feature a dominant base color, such as soft gray or beige. Around 30% of the room should include a secondary color like white, soft green, or light brown. The final 10% is for accent colors, small touches like cushions, artwork, or lamps that can be in bolder shades like forest green, mustard, or gold to add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Accent walls are still popular in 2025, but the trend leans towards subtlety. Instead of high contrast or bright colors, people now prefer textured walls, soft tone-on-tone color differences, or a single wall painted a slightly richer shade from the same color family. Wallpaper with minimal, nature-inspired patterns or muted designs is also becoming a preferred choice. Overall, the focus is on creating a space that feels natural, soothing, and balanced, perfect for rest, sleep, and unwinding at the end of the day. Statement walls. In modern master bedroom design for 2025, statement walls continue to be a key feature, but with a more refined and natural look. Instead of using bright paint or heavy decoration, the trend is to add depth and interest through texture and subtle patterns. One of the most popular ideas is using wall paneling, such as wooden slats, fluted designs, or 3D wall panels. These materials create a soft shadow effect and add visual richness without needing bold colors. Another growing trend is the use of wallpaper, but with a modern twist. Today's wallpapers are more elegant and minimalist, often featuring nature-inspired prints, soft geometric shapes, or fabric-like textures. The goal is to keep the design calm and stylish. Wallpaper can be applied to just one wall, usually behind the bed, to create a focal point without overwhelming the room. For people who want a simpler or more budget-friendly approach, peel and stick wall panels or decals are a great option. These are easy to apply and remove, making them perfect for renters or anyone who enjoys changing their decor more often. You can also create a painted accent wall using color blocking techniques, where you paint a portion of the wall in a complementary tone or soft contrast. The idea behind statement walls in 2025 is to draw attention in a subtle way. It's not about bold designs anymore. It's about adding character and warmth to the room while still keeping the overall style clean and calming. Modern furniture choices. In 2025, modern master bedroom furniture is all about simplicity, comfort, and function. Clean lines and low-profile designs are trending, especially platform beds with soft, upholstered headboards in neutral tones. These beds look modern and feel cozy at the same time. Nightstands are also becoming more practical, often featuring built-in charging ports or soft lighting. Instead of large dressers, many people are using floating shelves or slim storage units to save space and keep the room feeling open. The overall idea is to choose fewer, smarter furniture pieces that serve a purpose without making the room feel crowded. The focus is on clean design, light materials, and a layout that promotes relaxation and ease. Lighting ideas. Lighting plays a major role in setting the mood of a modern master bedroom, and in 2025, layered lighting is the key trend. Instead of relying on just one overhead light, designers now use a mix of light sources to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A modern ceiling light or chandelier can act as a stylish centerpiece, while bedside lamps or wall sconces provide softer, focused light for reading or relaxing. LED strip lights behind the headboard or under furniture add a subtle glow and a modern touch. Smart lighting is also becoming more popular. With smart bulbs, you can adjust brightness or change the color tone using your phone or voice, which makes it easy to switch between daytime brightness and a cozy nighttime setting. The goal is to create flexibility and comfort, bright enough when needed, but soft and soothing when it's time to rest. Textiles and bedding. In 2025, bedroom comfort is all about layers, textures, and softness. The bed is the main focus, and it should look and feel cozy. Layered bedding is trending. This means using a fitted sheet, top sheet, duvet or comforter, and adding a throw blanket or a few cushions on top. Popular materials include linen, cotton, and soft knits. These fabrics feel light and breathable, making them perfect for all seasons. Neutral colors are still preferred, but many people are adding small pops of color through cushions or throws to keep the look interesting. Mixing different textures is also important. For example, combining smooth cotton sheets with a chunky knit blanket adds depth and style to the bed. Overall, the goal is to make the bed look inviting, warm, and stylish, like a luxury hotel but still personal and comfortable. Wall decor and art. Wall decor in 2025 is all about keeping things simple, meaningful, and stylish. Instead of filling every inch of wall space, the trend is to choose one or two large art pieces that create a calm and elegant feel. A popular choice is placing one big framed artwork or two medium-sized pieces above the bed to draw attention without cluttering the space. Minimalism is key. People are moving away from busy gallery walls and focusing on clean, open layouts. Nature-inspired art, abstract prints, and calming colors are trending, as they bring a peaceful energy to the room. Many are also choosing artwork made with natural materials like wood or canvas to match earthy tones used throughout the bedroom. If you want a more personal touch, black and white photography or handmade pieces can make the space feel more unique. The main idea is to decorate with intention. Choose art that you love and that helps your bedroom feel calm and personal. Personal touch and greenery. In 2025, adding personal elements and a bit of nature is an important part of modern bedroom design. While clean lines and neutral colors create a relaxing base, small details make the space feel truly yours. Personal touches can include framed photos, a favorite book stack, candles, or simple decor items that reflect your personality or memories. These small items bring warmth and character to the room. Adding greenery is also a growing trend. Plants not only improve air quality, but also make the space feel fresh and alive. Easy-to-care for plants like snake plant, pothose, or peace lily are great for bedrooms. You can place a small potted plant on a shelf or use a hanging planter for a stylish touch. The goal is balance, keeping the room clean and modern while adding a few items that tell your story and connect you with nature. In 2025, a modern master bedroom is all about calm colors, simple furniture, layered lighting, and personal touches. You don't need a big budget, just smart choices like soft bedding, a feature wall, and a bit of greenery can make a big difference. Focus on comfort, clean design, and adding a few things that reflect your style. Even small changes can turn your bedroom into a peaceful, modern space you'll love.